tenemos que hacer para atrás, Mario.
Si quieres que la hagamos un poquito. Ahí está.
Para comprar los sábados, mejor no, porque te cobran los muchachos. La gente te quiere cobrar. ¿Hasta, Mario? No, no, baja el gato. Big difference. Look good, huh?
Bro, you dropped like. No me avisas. Listo para sí. Para sacar yo ocupo una de esas de la mía. Pero ya viendo que bajada va a caer la suya. ¿Ah? Ya me imagino la mía.
Pues ya vino por esto, pero por esto nomás. Pues ya nos quiere ahorita que agarren el fondo medio, vamos a cambiar por ahí. Chulada, madre. Ni pesan. Le quedaron bien las dudas, Mario.
Se mira bien.
Pero las quiere así o las quiere negras mejor. Del color de ella. Porque pues cromado no tiene nada.
Solo lo de frente y de atrás.
Y roja se mirara muy como Spider-Man. Vato, se va a ver chingona, Mario. Yeah, guys. So we got the wheels on. Let's see how this bitch looks, man. So I can't wait till mine come in, which I already got them ordered. I'll show y'all later on what I got, but this is for my boy Mario's truck right now. This bitch is sitting pretty. Sitting real good. She went lower than what she was with these, but that's definitely what we wanted. And hopefully these mufflers don't hit. Espérate, Lisa. Fuck yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. She's sitting fucking good. Yes, sir. ¿Cómo la mira, Mario? ¿Cómo la mira? ¿Le gusta?
Se ve chingona.
Se ve chingona,
Me gusta.
Fuck yeah.
Chula.
Ya estamos listos. Ahora sí.
said. Oh, we got oil pressure again.
Oh, we got oil pressure? Let me see.
But you're fucking... Okay, so this is what I don't get. Fucking... Got it. First start, everything's good.
Yeah.
Second start, fucking check engine light came on.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I don't know what the fuck.
Probably just a tune, bro.
Oh, yeah. But it started the first time with that any lights on. Or besides that.
Damn. Xavier be pulling all these trucks. That's my little brother's truck. That's my boy's truck right here, Mario's. That's my boy Xavier's truck. That's mine. We got the new build over here. We're trying to get one of these right now, but I don't know how long it's gonna take. But this is the new build. This is the Coyote one. Like I said, that'll be the Roadrunner. That's the Roadrunner, and this is the Coyote. So we'll be working on this one soon, guys. Get something else for y'all to see. This one will be getting a catch can. I think by next week, midweek, should be getting a catch can, and we'll be going from there. But so far, everything else looks good, and Mario's truck is fucking beaming. Look at this. Look at this. They don't get better than that, guys. That thing is beautiful. Beautiful. They'll be here when they get here. So we're gonna go get some gas real quick. Xavier needs some gas for the Correcaminos so that we can get her started and moved around. So let's go get some 91 and we'll be right back, guys. You want to put on neutral? Well, yeah, guys, so that's everything for today. We're really just taking a look at the trucks, getting the new wheels on. This is Mario's hood right here. It's already painted. We're just letting it acclimate and stuff so it can get buffed out. But that's the new hood. It got painted. We got the new wheels. We got the welds, 20s in the front. What are these? These are 275 40 R20s. So rimmed 20s in the front. We got 17s in the back. I'm not sure how wide these are. I really want to say they're 10, 9.5, 10. And these are 305s, 45s, rim 17. So we're locked in on these guys. She's looking real good. So that's it for Mario's truck. All we're waiting on, I think it's Friday, we get tuned. So that's what we're waiting on. And then this bad boy's already done too. All we're waiting for, I think he said, we gotta bleed the brakes. Get a tune. We gotta see what we do about the canister, because usually these trucks have the fuel pump with the canister on it. You know, she did have a new one until we decided to just do the fuel cell. So we'll see what we do there, because she's not trying to stay on right now. But that's what she needs. We need something. We need to replace whatever was wired up to the canister. We need to get her tuned and get the brakes bled out, and that's it. Once the wheels come in, we'll get them. But I'm just excited my boy Mario was able to get his at least. We at least got one truck going with wheels to the show. But and then my little brother's truck, you don't really need him. He's fast. He's all-wheel drive, so he's got an advantage on us. But yeah, we will be racing. We're gonna be racing as me, Eliseo, and Mario. We're all gonna race. We're not gonna do a three-way. You know, we're gonna do two, and then the winner from that races the other guy, and go from there. We'll have more content on the racing, guys. I really just needed these trucks to be out, and like I said, we got the other build coming. We'll get that one started after the show sometime. But that's it over there. So that will be the Coyote, And we got another engine coming too, which I'll be showing y'all sometime next week. We'll go to that shop and we'll be getting that engine done. So it's pretty much already what did he say, is balanced, is machine, is honed. I'm not really too sure how that works and stuff, but it's already done. We just got to get the cam kit and get the turbo kit and everything that's gonna go on it. So that's what we're waiting on. He's pretty much just waiting on me, but we got so much going on, you know, we got to take one thing at a time. But yeah, guys, so that's what we're doing. That's what's happening. Just stay tuned. Like I said, we got a lot going on, and we'll keep everybody updated and posted. We got a lot more fun vlogs coming, guys, and this is all we're waiting for, just the trucks to be out. And Xavier got him out, man. It's been crunch time for like a month now, but we got everything in, just waiting on some tunes and a little bit of gadgets here and there. We'll be out. So we'll see y'all later, guys. Y'all stay tuned. Follow, like, follow, subscribe.
Ooh, all right. Woo. This is light work.